There is this brief section here that is about permissions and change mod. I'm not going to spend much time on it. I'm going to assume people know it. It was just something that was originally in the basic Linux and was moved here. So if you don't know change mod, then it's used to set permission for files and directories, and today you'll need it for the scripts so that they can run. You have three groups: owners, groups, and everyone else. And they can be set to read, write, or execute each of these bits. And this is either a dash for a file, a D for a directory, or an L for a link. And here are some examples to how to change permissions. And if you need to add executable, which you will for scripts, then you say change mod plus X on the file, which means you add executable permissions for yourself. And otherwise, I'll let you look at this yourself. Chown is used if you want to change ownership of a file or a directory. And you can read about that here as well. It will not generate output on success, it just returns 0. So it will just do what you asked it to do and nothing otherwise. Okay.